Sometimes we may find ourselves feeling distant from Islam. We may feel like our life is falling apart and that we are hopeless or that our level of faith is at a low. We feel lost. We worry no prayer is being answered, and then we ask ourselves, how can I possibly get myself through this? I'm here to tell you that this feeling is okay. We are all striving to be the best we can be. Allah never gives up on us, and that He's always there to give us the guidance we need to set us back onto the straight path. Sometimes the things that happen in our lives are for our best interest. We must realize that there is a reason for everything that falls upon us, every blessing, every hardship. A good friend told me, once you recognize that Allah takes precedence over everything, your entire life falls into place. Subhanallah. Your heart is at ease because it's in the hand of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. After I recognized that, it felt like a part of me had been missing, and now it had finally came back to me. Allah doesn't put you through anything that you can't handle. Being patient is painful and tiring. It's hard, but it's always worth it in the end. Patience is bitter in taste, yet its outcome are sweeter than honey. Honestly, patience is giving up everything you love for the one that loves you the most. And what is more beautiful than that? Working on your salah is the most important key to a happy life. Make dua constantly, pray, istikhara, and even set alarms to keep up with the daily prayer timings. Prayer's purpose is to keep ourselves close to Allah. We can't sit back and expect everything to be handed to us. It's a two-way street, and you must maintain a relationship with Allah and pray often. Your soul needs prayer like your lungs needs air. It can seem tough